Probably. Well, I tend to be a little optimistic with timelines, but sometime in 2026 before 2027, let me put it that way. Yes, Elon Musk has just confirmed it. The Tesla Pi phone is officially launching next year with a starting price of just $789. From that moment, the tech world practically went into a frenzy. The Pi is being celebrated as the ultimate artificial intelligence weapon created to completely disrupt Apple and Samsung, while the upcoming iPhone 17 looks like little more than a dressed-up iPhone 14, following the same old design formula, carrying a price tag above $1,200, and lacking any truly groundbreaking features that make users say, wow. And while Apple is still sticking with Siri, an assistant many say has been sleeping for a decade, Tesla has stepped into a completely new age, an era of an artificial intelligence companion that genuinely understands people. So, how is the Tesla Pi's artificial intelligence truly different? You will be able to customize its personality, change its voice, and over time, it will start to know you in a personal way. It learns your preferences so well that often you will not even need to give commands, it will just understand what you want. While most smartphone makers are busy chasing ultra-thin, shiny designs and competing in an endless megapixel war, Elon Musk has taken a very different route. The Tesla Pi phone does not run Android, and it is not tied to iOS either. Instead, it runs on XOS, a fully independent operating system built entirely by Tesla's artificial intelligence team, free from both Google and Apple. Before we go deeper, welcome to Amp Drive, your ultimate source for all things Tesla and future tech. If you are new here, make sure to tap that subscribe button right now and join our growing community for more electrifying Tesla updates and innovations. Now, the difference between Tesla and the rest is not in the looks, but in the brain of the device. XOS is not just another digital assistant like Siri. It is a learning system that truly understands its user. It observes your voice, your habits, your routines, and even how you respond to stress or exhaustion. You do not have to tell it what to do, XOS anticipates your needs. Imagine this. While you are focused at work, your phone automatically switches to silent mode and blocks unnecessary notifications. When you unlock it after a tiring day, it instantly plays your favorite relaxing playlist. Step outside during daylight, and it automatically boosts screen brightness while enhancing your Starlink connection to keep your work flowing smoothly. When the battery runs low, it quietly adjusts background processes to save power and extend use. You might be wondering how the Pi phone can actually do all that. Is Elon Musk just hyping his own product again? Surprisingly, this time, every claim has real technology behind it. Thanks to its ability to learn directly from your behavior, the Pi phone can gather and process data to adapt perfectly to your lifestyle. Your working hours, your resting time, your browsing interests, even the kind of information you usually look for, all become valuable learning inputs. Within a day or two, the Pi phone can understand your preferences better than your closest friends, evolving into a true artificial intelligence companion. You could say Tesla is directly targeting Apple's weak spots. For example, while iPhone 17 users still complain about short battery life, fragile bodies, and prices that reach four figures, and while Siri remains mostly unchanged, Tesla asks a new question: why can't a phone actually be intelligent? Elon Musk knows that to beat Apple, marketing alone will not work. You need to create an experience that feels truly advanced. That is why the Tesla Pi learns to serve its user instead of making the user learn to serve the phone. The system is built around privacy, avoiding the tracking of personal data, and its hardware is designed for utility and endurance rather than flashy looks. As Tesla has already stated, the Pi phone will serve as the final missing piece in the Tesla ecosystem, linking everything seamlessly: electric vehicles, Powerwall, the Optimus robot, and the Starlink satellite network. The phone becomes the command center of the entire Tesla world. You can unlock your car, control your smart home, or even summon your robot, all through simple voice commands. No apps, no complicated steps, and absolutely no reliance on third-party systems. But does Starlink connectivity come at the expense of privacy? This is one of the biggest concerns Apple cannot counter. The Tesla Pi phone connects directly to Starlink satellites, with no need for a SIM card or cell towers. Whether you are deep in the desert, standing on a mountain peak, or sailing in the open ocean, the Pi phone still provides high-speed internet. Elon Musk has even confirmed that every Pi buyer will receive lifetime Starlink access completely free, a first in smartphone history. Imagine making video calls, streaming movies, controlling your Tesla, or commanding your Optimus robot, all through a satellite link without relying on carriers. This is not just a smartphone. It is humanity's first truly global communication device. If you are concerned about moving entirely from fifth-generation mobile networks to Starlink, consider this: users can enjoy ultra-fast internet access almost anywhere on the planet, from crowded cities to isolated regions. In a world where billions of people still lack affordable, stable internet, this could be life-changing. Traditionally, using Starlink required users to pay about $120 per month for a standard plan, in addition to buying the hardware upfront. This made it a premium choice, suitable mainly for users in rural or underserved areas. But if Elon Musk truly fulfills his promise of offering free Starlink access with the Pi phone, the results will be revolutionary. It removes one of the biggest barriers, cost, while tightly integrating Tesla's entire network of services. The smartphone industry is a brutal battlefield, but Musk is not entering to compete for a slice of the existing market. He wants to redefine how humans interact with technology altogether, and that is his true goal behind the Tesla Pi phone. In today's world, being offline even for a few days can make people feel cut off from life itself. Internet access is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity. But can you imagine staying connected completely free, without carriers, and with a strong signal even in remote places? That is exactly what Tesla is promising. The Tesla Pi phone is designed to work directly with Starlink's global satellite internet service, which means connectivity without geographic limits. Starlink is already revolutionizing online access. Many users in rural or suburban regions struggle with internet speeds as low as 10 to 40 megabits per second. Starlink aims to change that by providing speeds up to about 300 megabits per second, and that promise is becoming a reality. As of October 2025, Starlink already serves more than 6 million users globally with around 10,000 satellites launched, 8,600 of which are active. Coverage now stretches to some of the most remote corners of the planet. So what is the hardware advantage that puts the Tesla Pi so far ahead of the iPhone? The Pi phone's body is made from a titanium aluminum alloy, lighter than pure aluminum yet stronger than steel. Its matte surface resists magnetic interference and extreme temperatures. Elon Musk claims it is durable enough to survive conditions on Mars. Its camera setup is truly powerful, a 200-megapixel periscope lens with 10 times optical zoom, combined with an artificial intelligence-driven neural image processor that captures light the way human eyes do. During testing, the Pi's night photography easily outperformed the iPhone 17 Pro Max in clarity and color accuracy. It features a 6.9-inch AMOLED display with a 144 Hz refresh rate and dazzling brightness levels, all in a nearly borderless design. Musk describes its touch response as instant, as if it reads your mind. The Tesla Pi phone is poised to be the most discussed tech product of early next year, with the potential to turn the iPhone 17 into Apple's toughest competitor yet. Apple's choice to switch back from titanium to aluminum in the iPhone 17 has made it one of the easiest to scratch in company history, with users reporting damage even under careful use. Meanwhile, the iPhone Air retains a titanium body and an extremely thin frame of 0.22 inches, but sacrifices core features. It has only a single rear camera and no ultra-wide option. Its single external speaker makes audio playback weak, and its battery barely lasts half a day. Yet Apple still markets it as a premium device priced at $1,399 for the 1 terabyte model. Many people are understandably skeptical about Tesla entering this market. After all, why would Elon Musk invest in an industry already dominated by Apple and Samsung? But for Musk, Apple's recent stagnation and restrictive ecosystem have made collaboration impossible. Tesla's decision to use titanium is no random choice. Musk explains that the company tested many materials before settling on titanium for its ideal balance of strength, weight, and longevity. This metal has long been used in aerospace for its unmatched durability and lightness compared to steel. Apple's earlier iPhone 15 Pro Max had successfully demonstrated titanium's benefits, lighter and stronger, but then reversed course with the aluminum-based iPhone 17 lineup, a move many consider a serious misstep. Aluminum dents easily, scratches faster, and loses color over time. Tesla, in contrast, uses a specially treated grade 6 titanium alloy, even tougher than Apple's previous grade 5 version, processed in Tesla's Gigafactory in Texas for maximum hardness and durability. So unlike Apple's thin coating approach, Tesla builds its phone frame from solid titanium layers, making it resistant to years of wear and extreme use. If Apple helped introduce titanium to mainstream smartphones, Tesla's Pi phone is ready to push that innovation to a higher level. Beyond materials, Tesla is redefining display technology. The Pi phone's near-borderless screen provides a cinematic visual experience perfect for movies, games, and multitasking. The standard version is expected to have a 6.3-inch screen, while the premium model goes up to 6.9 inches, matching the iPhone 17 Pro Max's display size. But Tesla's screen is far more advanced. While Apple's promotion offers a 120 Hz refresh rate, Tesla's display reaches 144 Hz for unmatched smoothness. Its adaptive system lowers the refresh rate down to half a hertz when showing still images, reducing power use without affecting performance. This intelligence not only improves efficiency but also prolongs battery life. Speaking of battery life, Tesla has drawn upon its deep expertise from electric vehicles. For years, iPhone users have complained about short battery life. Tesla wants to end that problem entirely. The Pi phone reportedly includes a 6,897 mAh battery, massive compared to the iPhone 17 Pro Max's 5,088 and the iPhone Air's modest 3,100. In real use, the Pi phone lasts up to 3 full days, while Apple's top models last only 1 or 2. Tesla may even use aluminum-ion battery technology, which promises higher energy density, safer chemistry, and longer lifespan than lithium-ion cells. These batteries resist heat and degradation, so your Pi phone battery should stay strong for many years without needing replacement. And Tesla's approach to charging is equally thoughtful. Instead of chasing extreme charging speeds like 150 watts that damage cells, Tesla focuses on smart fast charging, taking the battery from 10% to 80% in about 40 minutes while maintaining long-term health. This philosophy mirrors Tesla's electric car principles, durability and sustainability over raw speed. Where Apple treats the battery as just one internal part, Tesla treats it as the heart of the system. Years of experience with energy storage give Tesla a huge edge, possibly leading to the most reliable smartphone battery ever made. But Tesla's ambitions for the Pi phone go further than endurance. They include privacy, integration, and complete ecosystem control. At $789 for a phone that seems almost too powerful to exist, would you be ready to take that leap? Tell us what you think in the comments below this video. Thank you for watching today's feature on AMP Drive. Do not forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another Tesla breakthrough or tech reveal. If you enjoyed this, hit the like button, share it with fellow Tesla fans, and stay tuned for the next big story on AMP Drive, where the future is already happening. Goodbye.